You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I love this word. It's so confusing to look at. The spelling makes it very confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. So let's break it down. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Strengthen. Okay, so you have the very famous TH sound in English, which you make by putting your tongue between your teeth. Th. Okay, so stren, essentially, and then thun. Strengthen. There's no G there, okay, so it's not strengthen. Do not pronounce the G sound or a J sound. It's not strengthen, no, or strengthen, no. Strengthen. Could you hear it? Was this any useful? Remember, it's easy. Strengthen. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.